Hello guys, I am Anfas Ahamed and this is my YouTube channel. Where I unbox and review tech products, and most of them are unboxed and reviews of laptop, and I have uploaded videos about my laptop and some tutorials of websites and how to install WordPress and how to upload your locally created website to a internationally accessible website. Please subscribe where you can get my latest videos to your notifications soon as when I upload it. Mostly I upload on Sunday evenings, and I have started a blog website that is called unfasahamed.com. You can search for Anfas Ahamed blog in Google and it will be appear. Thank you guys. Like and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.